Micromot 230E drilling and milling device. With a diameter of 37 mm and weighing in at just 270 grams, it offers convenient handling second to none in its class. Excellently suited for precision drilling, milling, grinding, cutting, and engraving. A precision ball bearing ensures precise guidance of the spindle, which is made of ground special steel. This spindle can be locked at the push of a button for rapid tool changes. Triple-slotted Micromot steel collets clamp tool shafts with diameters between 1 and 3.2 mm, precisely centering them. Carefully hardened and with consistent spring force, they guarantee maximum concentricity even after years of use. The compact design and low weight, otherwise only available with 12-volt devices, allows permanently pleasant pen grip working. In addition to this comfort comes the high-performance 230-volt motor with powerful neodymium magnets, delivering high torque even at low speeds. This is continuously and very sensitively adjustable between 6 and 22,000 revolutions per minute. No additional power supply unit is required, thanks to the direct mains feed from the wall outlet. The front housing nut is matched to the 20 mm standard collar. This allows the device to be mounted on the extensive Micromot system accessories, such as drill stands and tool holders. In addition to the device itself, which is available individually, a separate set rounds off the range. Packed in a sturdy, attractively shaped plastic case containing 34 bits and cutters of industrial and dental quality. A comprehensive range of different bits and cutters is available. Drilling and milling tools made of carbide, tungsten vanadium, or HSS steel. Diamond cleaning and polishing tools from the jewelry industry, as well as selected grinding and cutting tools with a long service life for professional use. Proxxon. Tools with character.